Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. In this session, I want to talk about how can we reference the statements in our scientific works using EndNote version 20.2, actually the last version, in the simplest way. So first of all, suppose that we have a statement like the gray wolf optimizer is the best algorithm. So now what we want is reference this statement to its creator. So first of all, we should open the Google Scholar and search, for example, gray wolf optimizer. Actually, we should find the main paper, okay? So as you can see, we have double quotation icon here and we should click on it. So you see the sites which are in different types by which you can reference to the papers manually, okay? And also here you see BibTeX, RefMan, and RefWorks. Which one you choose depends on the environment in which you are writing your paper or the software you use for referencing, okay? So for example, if you work with LaTeX, you should download the BibTeX format, okay? So now we are going to download the EndNote version of this site, okay? Before opening it, let me introduce the parts of EndNote, okay? When you open this app, on the left-hand side, you see the sections which are really important. Section 1 is all references that you have used so far. And as you can see, the names of each section indicates what it does, okay? Yet the main section is my group section, actually here, which is used to categorize your reference. I highly recommend that try to have a regular classification of your references and save them to a secure drive or back them up, okay? For example, I create a new group set, for example, meta heuristic, okay? And it is as my group, and I create a list of meta heuristics as my subgroup, okay? And as you can see in the middle parts of this window, we have some icons here. They are really important. For example, you can add a new reference manually by click on it. And as you can see, we have some blanks here which are for the journal article type, and you have to fill all of them, okay? And also you select the types of your references. For example, you can reference your statements in your paper to a podcast or web page, social medias, and anything that you want. So, however, what is the simplest way? The simplest way is that we should download the references in EndNote format and open it. So as you can see, the reference is opened and the numbers change to 1. Actually here, the numbers change to 1. So you can cut it and add it to your groups. Okay, finally, for referencing, you should just click here and the reference will be imported automatically. So here you change its style based on your needs. Actually, you can change it to a number or anything that you want. For example, APA 7 or APA 6 or anything that you want, and you can search it here. So many thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to receive more videos every week.